I study storms all my life, and this one is bigger than any storm that has ever been.
We gotta get out of here. Let's go.
No Olho do Tornado, 28 de agosto, nos cinemas.